Hi, my name is Julia. I'm a registered dietitian and the Wellness Kitchen Consultant with Alberta Health Services. Today, I'm in the South Health Campus Wellness Kitchen, and I'm going to be making a special kind of mashed potatoes. Today, I'll show you how to add unflavored protein powder into foods you may eat regularly. Adding unflavored protein powder makes them higher in calories and protein. If your appetite is not at its best, you might find it hard to eat enough foods with protein, like meat. Protein powder can help you get more protein without making you feel too full. I love using unflavored protein powder because when your protein powder has no taste, you can add it into lots of different foods and recipes, both hot and cold. Today we'll use the mashed potatoes. To start, I've got my ingredient ready. Potatoes, russet or yellow potatoes are best for mashing, butter, whole milk, and unflavored protein powder. I'm using whole milk to give these potatoes some extra calories and protein. I'll use a medium saucepan with a lid, a knife, a paring knife, a cutting board, a set of measuring cups, a set of measuring spoons, and I'll need something to mash the potatoes. I'm using a hand mixer, but you can use a potato masher if you would like. First, I've filled my saucepan with water about half full. You want enough water to cover the potatoes. Put the saucepan with water on the stove and turn the heat to medium-high. Now I will prepare the potatoes. This recipe uses 2 medium-sized potatoes. I start by washing the potato under running water. Then I remove any eyes or blemishes. I don't need to peel them because the peel will break down when I cook them. The peel has extra fiber and gives you a bit of flavor. You can peel them if you like, and that will give you a smoother mashed potato texture. Next, I'm going to cut them into cubes. You can cut them however you'd like. The size and shape of the cut potatoes only affects the time they take to cook. Smaller potato pieces will cook faster. I will cut them into about 1/4 inch pieces so they cook quickly. Remember, these don't have to be perfect. The only reason that we're cutting the potatoes is to make sure that they can cook a bit more quickly than they will cook if they were uncut. So rough cuts, approximately 1/4 inch dice, is okay. Add the cut potatoes to the boiling water on the stove. Leave them to cook until the potatoes are tender. Use a fork to test. If the fork goes into the potato easily, that's how you know they're ready. So I'm going to check whether or not my potatoes are cooked. I'm going to remove the lid from the pot, and using a slotted spoon, I'm going to pull out a larger chunk of potato. And the reason why I want to specifically choose a larger one is because I want to make sure that all the different chunks are cooked, whether they're small or big. Then I'm going to use a fork to test them. And as you can see, my fork goes in nice and easily to all these pieces, and already the potato is starting to break down a little bit. That shows me that these potatoes are done and they're ready to mash. So when the potatoes are cooked, you're going to turn off the stove, and then you're going to drain the water from the potatoes using a colander. Make sure to use both hands while you transfer your pot if it's heavy. Put the drained potatoes back into the pot. Then add 1/3 cup of butter or margarine. Butter adds flavor, adds calories, and helps to make the potatoes creamy. Add 2 tablespoons of whole milk to your mashed potatoes. Whole milk will add extra calories and protein. You could use half and half or whipping cream if you really needed to boost the calories. Now add 1/4 cup, 1 scoop of unflavored protein powder to the mashed potatoes. 1/4 cup scoop of protein powder is about 20 grams of protein. Next, I'm going to take my hand mixer and mash the potatoes until I've broken apart all of the chunks. I want to mash until the milk, butter, and protein powder is combined and the potatoes are nice and smooth. Now, they're ready to serve. If you want more great ideas for higher calorie and protein meals and snacks, The team of dietitians at Alberta Health Services have recipes for you to try. Find them at ahs.ca/recipes. For more great recipes from dietitians, sign up for a South Health Campus Wellness Kitchen class at ahs.ca/shcwellness. Cheers to tasty food, healthy cooking, and good health.
Together, we do amazing things every day.